The experience of getting your payments held is an absolute nightmare. You can't pay suppliers, you can't ship out orders, and ultimately your customers are going to start charging back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up payments for your Shopify store correctly and share with you the 2 payment processors I recommend you use. Now, if you're watching this and you haven't signed up for Shopify already, I have a free trial link in the description down below so you can follow along for the rest of this tutorial. Now, the first payment processor you want to set up is Shopify Payments. Now, the thing about Shopify Payments is that it's not available in every country, so you want to make sure it's available for your location. I will make sure to put the countries it is available in on the screen right now. If it is available for your country, I want you to head over to your Shopify dashboard, then select Settings, then select Payments. You should see Shopify Payments at the top. All you have to do from there is click Complete Account Setup. Shopify is going to ask you to fill out your info like business name, address, text ID, and your bank details. Now, you want to make sure that you double check that everything matches your legal documents exactly. Because if something is off, it can delay your payouts, or worse comes to worse, you can even be denied. Now, the next thing that you want to do is choose your payout schedule. You can select weekly or daily. Now, personally, I have mine set to daily, but this is really entirely up to you. There is no real wrong choice here. But once you feel good about everything, you want to submit your information, and Shopify usually reviews it within a day or two. And if you can, make sure to activate PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay too. The more options you give your customers, the better your conversion rate will be. Now, the next payment processor you want to set up is Airwallex. If you want to sell internationally on Shopify, there's a good chance you will lose money on every single sale and you won't even realize it. And this is because of those sneaky double conversion fees. So let's just say you get paid in one currency and then you pay your suppliers in another. And boom, your money gets hit twice with foreign exchange fees. But the great thing about Airwallex is that it helps you keep more of your money. Airwallex allows you to get paid in the same currency your customers pay you in, over 14 major currencies, which in turn allows you to pay suppliers or contractors in the same exact currency, so you won't have to worry about those double conversion fees. Also, Airwallex allows you to make more sales because it supports over 160 payment methods and it lets your customers shop in their own currency, which instantly builds trust and boosts conversions. So trust me, you will never have to worry about losing a sale again. But one of my favorite features is that it can help you really stay organized. Airwallex is an all-in-one platform where you can organize your payments, multi-currency balances, and spend. You can hold more than 20 currencies in your account, get local bank details for your account in more than 60 countries without having business entities in those markets, pay suppliers from all over the world, and even issue business and employee cards, all from one simple dashboard. So if you're serious about growing your Shopify store and increasing your international footprint, Airwallex is an absolute no-brainer, and it just makes selling internationally way easier and it saves you money day one. Now, let me show you how to set it up. So what you want to do is click the first link in the description down below and sign up for a business account. And the next step is the verification process, and this is very similar to what you just did with Shopify Payments. Now, you will need your business registration, proof of address, ID, and maybe some recent bank statements. Now, all this information normally takes a couple of days to get verified as well, but once verified, head to global accounts in your dashboard and you want to create your multi-currency accounts. Now, you can collect in USD, euros, pounds, you name it. But the best part is you get local bank details for each currency, so customers can pay you like a local business in their preferred currency and payment method. Plus, if you ever need to convert the currencies, you get amazing exchange rates. Now, once this is completed, you want to head back to Shopify and connect AirWallets. So you want to go to your Shopify dashboard, select settings, and then select payments, and then select additional payments. From here, you want to search by provider and type in AirWallets. After that, you want to select install. Once you have installed AirWallets, all you have to do is log in, authorize the connection, and select which currencies you want to accept, and configure your payment settings, and that's it. Your Shopify store is now ready to handle customers from all over the world without eating into your profits. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you out. All you have to do is comment them down below. And if you got value out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if you want more Shopify tips like this, make sure that you check out this video right here.